Disclaimer. The views expressed in this video, on the blog or on this YouTube channel is for education and information purpose only. I am not the financial advisor. So, before investing on any asset class, please do your due diligence and research. Your investments are your own responsibility, and only invest what you afford to lose. Crypto Wealth Code. What is Ethereum? Ethereum blockchain explained. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that makes it easy to create smart contracts. Transactions are sent from and received by user-created Ethereum accounts. A sender must sign transactions and spend Ether, ETH, as a gas fees, Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, as a cost of processing transactions on the network. A recipient receives payment after a transaction has been processed by miners. The Ether used to pay for transaction fees is taken from the miner that processes the transaction. This means that miners are economically incentivized to process transactions as quickly as possible. Ethereum is an open-source platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications. Because it uses blockchain technology, Ethereum can operate without a central server or single administrator. The Ethereum blockchain is a decentralized ledger that maintains a continuously growing list of records, called blocks. Blocks typically contain multiple transactions that were processed by network nodes. The blockchain serves as an open, distributed ledger that records transactions between two parties efficiently and in a verifiable and permanent way. When you create or modify something on the blockchain, it is broadcast out to all other computers on the network. This makes it different from other blockchain networks. Ethereum blockchain can be used to create smart contracts, develop decentralized apps, pay for digital goods and services, and manage digital assets. What is the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchain? The data stored on the blockchain is encrypted, but anyone can view the transactions. The Ethereum network requires permission to join. By creating a smart contract, it's possible to create a decentralized application. The Ethereum and Bitcoin networks have a significant difference in how they process transaction processing fees. The fees or gas in Ethereum transactions can be very high, and in some cases, they may exceed the costs of the transaction itself. The fees associated with Bitcoin transactions are absorbed by the broader Bitcoin network. Benefits of building on Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a very flexible, open-source platform for decentralized applications. Smart contract development is a highly technical process and decentralized application, DApp. Developers who deploy their apps on the Ethereum blockchain benefit from the rich ecosystem of developer tooling and established best practices that have come with the maturity of the protocol. It's clear that the average user of Ethereum applications interacts with it mostly in terms of interacting with smart contracts deployed there through a simple and intuitive interface. Ethereum has a large user base that encourages developers to deploy their applications on the network, which further strengthens Ethereum as the primary home for decentralized applications like DeFi and NFTs. Ethereum's transition to the proof-of-stake protocol, which enables users to validate transactions and mint new ETH based on their Ether holdings, is part of a significant upgrade to the Ethereum platform known as ETH 2.0. It also introduces a new state-of-the-art transaction processing mechanism known as Sharding. Ethereum is on track for broader adoption, and high-profile enterprises are joining the platform. AMD announced a joint venture with �ခြ𝐿 to build a network of data centers built on the Ethereum platform in 2020. Since 2015, Microsoft has partnered with �ခြ𝐿 to develop Ethereum blockchain as a service, 𝐰𝐫𝐾𝐿, technology on Microsoft's Azure cloud platform. Microsoft's announcement of its new blockchain initiative also revealed that it is working with the Ethereum Foundation and �ခြ𝐿 to research and create new use cases for the blockchain. As the platform matures, we expect to see more applications built on top of Ethereum, which will help drive broader adoption. They are working on more use cases, including financial services, supply chain management, and healthcare. It's currently one of the most extensive networks in the blockchain industry. It will introduce a new consensus protocol, a new virtual machine, and new features to make it easier to deploy and run dApps on the platform. ETH 2.0 is a significant upgrade to the network that consists of sequential phases that will culminate into the transfer from proof-of-work consensus mechanism to proof-of-stake, making the network more scalable, secure, and sustainable. Proof-of-stake will make many aspects of the proof-of-work consensus mechanism significantly more secure. Proof-of-stake will make it much harder for malicious actors to launch 51% attacks on the network. It also makes the network less vulnerable to Sybil attacks. Proof of stake will also make the network more secure. There are two different ways to pay a fee in this blockchain: transaction fees and staking fees. The main difference between the new blockchain and Ethereum is that it supports shards. This doesn't cause much delay or congestion because it's being done in a separate process that runs separately from the Ethereum blockchain. Sharding is a way to reduce network latency, allowing users to process transactions faster. Additionally, it allows for more transactions to be processed at the same time. Sharding will allow for the implementation of more complex smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Finally, they are developing a new protocol called Casper that will be implemented to secure the network. This new version of Ethereum is expected to be launched in the next few months.
Thank you for watching this video. If you love this content, feel free to comment, share, subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell to never miss any future videos. Crypto Wealth Code.